here getting ready to install our Evolve Stone product. And as you can see, we have Typar already installed, serving as our weather-resistant barrier. And the next step of the process we're going to show you is the installation of this rain screen. At this point of our installation, we've reached an outside corner, and rather than wrapping the material around, we're going to butt this piece up against the adjoining side, eliminating the chance of any tenting. At this part of our installation, we've reached an inside corner and an outside corner. Rather than wrapping the material around, we're just going to have a butt joint with the adjoining wall. Before we start installing the stone, we're going to be putting up some level guidelines to assist in the installation. With our rain screen done, we're now ready to install Evolve Stone. In the case of this particular retrofit, we're installing the sill pieces first. Beginning at the corner, make the necessary cuts and then fasten the sill pieces using 2 exterior grade trim screws, held 4 inches from either end. Recess the screw below the face of the stone. Now that we have our sill pieces installed, we're ready to install our prefabricated outside corners. We're going to be using 16 gauge stainless steel finish nails. We've got a variety of different sized corners here that we're going to alternate. Now that we've got a few courses of the corner installed, we're ready to start with the field. Stones can easily be adjusted by tapping them with a hammer. At this point of our installation, our substrate's changed from plywood to concrete, so we can no longer use finish nails. To maintain the drainage plane behind the stone, be sure to apply it only in vertical beads. Make sure to test the effectiveness of the adhesive between your substrate and Evolve Stone prior to installation.